హాయ్ హలో ఎవ్రీవన్ మై నేమ్ ఇస్ గాంతేజ రెడ్డి. నేను ఎంజీలో వర్క్ చేస్తాను యాజ్ ఎ సేల్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్గా. నా పొజిషన్ వచ్చేసి రిలేషన్షిప్ మేనేజర్ ఎట్ బంజారా హిల్స్. సో లెట్స్ సీ ద హెక్టా కార్ బిసైడ్ మీ విచ్ ఈస్ హెక్టా షాప్ టాప్ ఎండ్ మోడల్, అండ్ you can see the features inside the car, and as well as the radius and the ground clearance, and as well as you can see the features inside the car. And you are going to have electronic adjustable seat. You can lift the car, and you can lift the seat as well, and you can push the seat down as well. And this car is having six-way adjustable, and you are going to have the same thing on the co-driver seat as well. And you are going to have plenty of features in the car, and you can control your car with your mobile phone also. And to have iCall and eCall. iCall means information calling, eCall means emergency calling. iCall means you are going to get a call from our executives. We are going to have a call center at Noida. From there you can choose any language, English or Telugu, such that you people can call, take a part in the call, and you can have any query about the car. You can ask the person about the car. And then information call, e-call means going to call the person nearby police station, nearby hospital. And then we are going to have panoramic sunroof on the top. Let us take a look on the panoramic sunroof as well. And then we are going to have auto dimming ORVMs as well. And then we are going to have cruise button as well, and a cruise off button as well. And we are going to have plenty of option on the screen, as you can see. This is volume up and down button, and mute button, and call take button, and you can forward your songs from one song to another song. And you are going to have display on ORVM such that we can see the screen. As we have pressed the button, we are going to see some different modes on the car, the average and the trip kilometers driven, as well as you can see the warning message and fatigue messages in the screen. Slide the average of the car, and you can see the dashboard of our kilometer driven. I call Ghana will be 3 years for free. And then you are going to have 4G SIM inside, and this 4G SIM is ready to swipe to 5G SIM. Ghana for 3 years for free, as well as Airtel SIM also free for 3 years. And you can listen the song inside the car. And through voice command also we can control the car. Hello MG.
I'm here.
Open the driver side window.
Okay, window on drive side is open.
Hello MG.
Hi, how can I help?
Close the driver side window.
Window on drive side is closed.
And you can see the command. Hello MG.
I'm here.
Open sunroof. And sunroof has been opened through voice command only. We have not touched anything, and through this we can command turn on AC, turn off AC, and so on. We are going to have 1000 plus commands on the in this MG preloaded. And then you are going to have ambient lighting in the car. When we on the front headlights, we are going to see the ambient lighting. As you can see the ambient lighting in this car. and you are going to have the ambient lighting in this car like this, and you are going to have in the footstep also. It's a daytime, so we cannot see the ambient lighting at the footrest. And this is the start button. You can see, and turn on the vehicle. You can see that the left side door has been opened. So we have getting in warning buttons to lock or unlock the car, and then windows button as well. And you can also have the child lock for the windows from here only. We can also even open the boot space from here only, as I am pressing the button here, so that you can open the button backside. I am again pressing the button to close the boot, so that it will automatically close the boot. According to the features, car weight is 2 ton as well, and then you are going to have engine specification is 1.5 turbo engine, and then you are going to have cc of 1451 is the cc of the car, and then you are going to have massive power in this car, like 143 at the rate 5000 rpm, and then maximum torque will be 215 newton meter at the rate 600 rpm, and then transmission will be DCT, as you can know, and then you are going to length is 4720 mm. This is the 1.5 liter turbo engine. As you can see the insulators wherever you go. This is the insulator as well, and this is the coolant oil box, and then you are going to have so you can see there are a lot of dust on the car. Why? Because the test drive vehicle will be using every day, so that is the reason why the car is so dirty. You can see the DRLs on the left and right of the car, and you can see the headlights as well, and the fog light. You are going to have 18-inch alloy wheels. In this car you are going to have 4 cameras. 4 sides, 4 cameras will be available, and this is the first camera you can see as well, and I'm going to show you the left and another camera, and as well as you can see, and then back side will be available under the MG logo, as you can see here. Then you are going to have auto sensing wipers. When the car will sense the water on the car, then automatically the wipers will be on. We need to on the function in the car. So నేను MG Hector Banjara Hills నుంచి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను, and then this is a Hector 5-seater one with DCT పెట్రోల్ 1.5 లీటర్ ఇంజన్ ఉంటుంది. దీంట్లో వచ్చేసి దీంట్లో మనకు డ్యూయల్ క్లచ్ ట్రాన్స్మిషన్ ఉంటుంది. మనకు ఆటోమేటిక్లో కూడా 2 వేరియంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఆ 2 వేరియంట్స్లో వచ్చేసి మనకు ఏంటంటే మనకు డీసీటీ ఉంటుంది, ఇంకోటి CVT ఉంటుంది. యాజ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ నో, DCT మీన్స్ డ్యూయల్ క్లచ్ ట్రాన్స్మిషన్, CVT మీన్స్ కంటిన్యూస్ వేరియబుల్ ట్రాన్స్మిషన్, అండ్ ఇన్ DCT you are going to have 6 gear transmission, and in CVT you are going to have like n number of gears. CVT means continuous variable transmission, and then in this you are going to car displacement is around 2 tons, and there are many features in this car which are not available in another brands or another variables on city roads or in Hyderabad roads. In this particular car, you are going to have 6 airbags, driver position and back position, and you are going to also have on back seat also, and you are going to have 360-degree camera as well. You're going to have iCall and eCall option also. iCall means information calling, eCall means emergency calling. iCall means you are going to, if we are going to have a button in the car. If we press the button, button means on the screen, you are going to get a call within 5 seconds. So such that our executive will be calling you with the respective of any queries which are in the car product detail. We are going to get the everything, and then you are going to have good feedback from them, and then you are going to have the 8 color ambient lighting as well as iCall అంటేనేమో మనకు నార్మల్గా రిటర్న్ కాల్ చేస్తారనమాట వాళ్ళ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్స్. వాళ్ళు కాల్ చేసినప్పుడు మనం వెళ్ళి మాట్లాడవచ్చు అనమాట వాళ్ళతోటి. మనకి ఏ ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నా సరే మనకు వచ్చేసి మాట్లాడితే వాళ్ళకి మనం ప్రతి ఒక్కటి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు, మనం ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాం ఏంటని చెప్పేసి. ఇంకోటి వచ్చేసి ఎమర్జెన్సీ కాలింగ్ అని ఉంటుంది. మనం ఎప్పుడైనా సరే మన ఎయిర్ బ్లాక్స్ అనేవి బ్లో అవుట్ అయిపోయినప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంటాయంటే, సో మనకి ఏంటంటే కాల్ చేసి వాళ్ళు మన కార్ అనేది ఆటోమేటిక్గా దగ్గరలో ఉన్న ఫైర్ స్టేషన్కి యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ పోలీస్ స్టేషన్కి యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ హాస్పిటల్కి ముగ్గురికి కాల్ చేస్తుంది. ముగ్గురికి కాల్ చేసి మనకి ఇంటిమేట్ చేస్తుంది. యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ యువర్ పర్సన్ ఎవరైతే కార్ ఓనర్ ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళకి కూడా విన్ నెంబర్ అనే ఒక ఉంటుంది. సో దట్ కార్ ఐడెంటిటీ అనమాట. సో వాళ్ళ మొబైల్కి ఏదైతే విన్ నెంబర్కి అటాచ్డ్ ఉందో వాళ్ళకి కూడా దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్ ద కాల్ అనమాట. Call means you are going to get a notification that so and so location your car has been blown out అని చెప్పేసి. And then you are going to have electronic adjustable for both the seats, driver and co-driver. And you are going to have 4 cameras. In 4 cameras also you are going to have all the 4 cameras will be integrated as well, and then you are going to have 360-degree view, and then you are going to have Apple CarPlay and Auto CarPlay, and then you are going to have TomTom maps as well, and then you are going to have ESC means electronic stability control. You are going to get infinity speakers. You are going to have subwoofer as well and amplifier as well.